Good morning. Welcome to Appalachian Farmstead. And so today is Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2025. You know, this is like, honestly, this is probably the first day we haven't had snow, rain, ice, high winds in almost a week. It's insane. But that's all coming back tomorrow. And then Sunday, we have, we started a whole week of below zero temperatures and possibility of a major snowstorm. So, I'm going to clean this stuff out, and I'm going to put it in there. This is what they don't eat. They won't eat this stuff unless you not feed them. I guess if I don't feed them, they would eat it. But I'm going to put it out because Samson, pain in the ass, he likes to rub his horns on you. So I'm going to clean it out, then carry it in and put it in their house for bedding. I'm going to do that for everybody today. So, all right, here we go. Alright, Samson, he was going to come over and try to give me the old horn. He doesn't try to hurt you, he just tries to rub up against you and intimidate you. So, I carry this with me. It's like $15 on Amazon. And honestly, all you have to do is, and he leaves you alone. I've only ever had to use it on him once. Give him a little zing on his nose, and he's out of here. He leaves me alone. So, there's their house. It's all full of hay. Yeah. They need a new house. That's coming this spring. I'm going to build them one like that. With a floor in it and everything. Alright, you two. Fill you up, and you guys are good. Whoa. Alright, so they're all cleaned out. Their house is stuffed full. They all got all new hay. So, it's rinse and repeat. I got 2 over there to do, where the wife is. Carrie's sitting over there doing videos with Charlie. And then I have these little guys, right? Can you see them? Right there. Clean their feeder out. So, I'll spare you the rinse and repeat. So, alright, I'm going to go over here, clean these guys out, then I have to go get more hay. I'm out. Good girl. Huh? You think it's good hay? Hmm? Alright, everybody. You're good. You're all good. Well, they're good. Fresh hay all the way to the bottom, and their hut is full, got about a foot or so hay in there. Then the bed down on. Plus they'll eat a bunch of it. So, alright. One more load, I believe, and we're about done. Till tomorrow. Well, I gotta do water, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So it lasts, hopefully it lasts through the cold. I don't know. Probably won't, but alright, let me go get another load. Alright. These guys are done. I filled up their house with leftover hay, and now they've come out with new hay. Here comes Unicorn. Alright, everybody is good to go. Got bedding for the cold snap. And yeah, it's an awesome day. Alright guys. So this video, I know it's not thrilling. If you watched till now, I hope you did. You'll understand that it's hard to do content right now. And especially when we get nothing but snow, rain, freezing rain. You can't even walk out here for days on end. The only reason I don't have ice cleats on today is because we got snow on the top of this. So it's not too bad. And it is warming up a little bit, but that's going to come to an end in another day. And this beautiful weather is going to come to an end tonight. So yeah, I'm kind of, you know, I watch other channels. The wife and I watch, I'm not going to name channels, but other homesteading channels. You know, there's a couple of them. They don't even do homesteading videos anymore. They just do whatever's on the news right now, and clickbait, doom and gloom. So and I get it, it's whatever, but you can't focus on that stuff. The best way to combat that is not be a slave to the system. Do this. Raise your own meat. Be as independent as possible. I mean, I've got solar bank out there. I'm hoping this year that I can work on my battery bank, and then I will be basically self-sufficient here, except for like diesel fuel and stuff that you know, I can't get around. I'm not making my own diesel fuel. Nobody is, or if there is, it's a tiny bit, right? So anyways, yeah, so these videos, even though they're not that exciting, it's what you have to do to get through each day. So the next big thing coming up is maple syrup season. Normally we'd be full into this already. We'd have been in it into January, but today's what did I say this was, 14th? So yeah, I mean, our weather, the sap doesn't flow unless it's above freezing during the day and below freezing at night, and we're just not there here. I mean, we here like for a couple days, but for the most part it's below freezing every day, and it's even more below freezing. We've only had a couple days that it's get above freezing, and then when the wind blows, the sap doesn't flow. So yeah, so I'm hoping, I'm holding off until after basically next week. The end of next week, I believe, is the last storm in this parade of storms we're in. I think, you know, we have an ice storm coming tomorrow, and then we have like a smaller little storm. I'm trying to get this locked down. I keep forgetting to do this. Smaller storm like Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I think Thursday, Friday is when we have, depending on the storm track, they don't know right now, if we could get what I seen, we were in a dark blue for snow. So, and with those kinds of storms comes very high winds. So I'm waiting till after that, and then we'll be in the full-on maple syrup, and so I'll take you along for that. Do some, get the buckets out, get the trees tapped, and I'm kind of waiting until I'm ready to go before I set my tent up. I don't have a permanent sugar shack, so that is where I'm at. I kind of actually like the fact that I can be right here at my house boiling the maple syrup instead of kind of out in the woods, because I can just take the maple syrup off, go 30 feet into my kitchen, and do it. So, and it'll still be hot. But yeah, so the next big thing coming is maple syrup, and I'm hoping, you know, that we can get several weeks out of that. 2, 3, 4 weeks. We'll see. I don't know. I mean, winter seems to be holding on here right now. So, yeah. But other than that, I think the goats are taken care of. I have some ideas for some videos that maybe you'll be interested in coming up. So, thanks for watching. And if you have any comments, you have any ideas, or something you like to see, or you don't like something I'm doing, let me know. I only do what I can do, and if nobody interacts with me, then, you know, I just do what I do. So, but, yeah, I mean, the whole day relies on all these animals, and, but anyways, so I appreciate you guys commenting, and, but this is, in reality, this is real homesteading. This isn't getting on the internet and doing something. You know, a lot of the channels we watch are, they just do projects. They aren't really homesteading. They don't show you day in, day out, every day you get up and you got to do this. So it doesn't matter if it's 20 degrees out, 20 below degrees out, or raining, whatever. You got to get up and do it. And so that's what I show. But if you don't like it, let me know, and I'll try to change my content a little bit to satisfy somebody. But this is what we do. We do it every day. Just trying to survive out here and raise our own food and produce our own power. So, alright, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Give me a thumbs up and a subscribe.